Breaking. Lagos State government has changed the popular Victoria Island Street, Ozubambadiwe, to a Yoruba name, Oba Abiodun Idowu Oniru Road. Recently, the popular bus stop, Charlie Boy bus stop, was changed to Olamide bus stop. It didn't stop there. There are several parks, streets, avenues, or estates, landmarks that are being changed from Igbo name to Yoruba name. It did not stop there. Certain avenues, parks, streets, roads, estates, and landmarks are being changed right now from Igbo name to Yoruba name. Why is it like that? Look at the landmark beach and resorts. Because it belonged to an Igbo man, it was destroyed. They want to build a coastal highway. How long now have they destroyed the landmark? Where is the coastal highway? It's all because it belongs to an Igbo man. This is extreme resentment on the Igbos. This is extreme resentment. I don't know. It's an immeasurable resentment on the Igbos. What is happening? What is happening? You say that you are zoning power in Nigeria from Obasanjo to the Hausa, which is Yaradua. And of course, because of Yaradua's demise, his deputy back then, his good luck Ebele Jonathan, assumed the seat of power. So if you say that you are zoning power and that it's one Nigeria, it should be an Igbo man in the presidency right now. But guess what? A Yoruba man said, no, it is my turn, I have to be there. And guess what? He's actually there. The 2023 presidential election was the real testament of the gross marginalization of the Igbos in Nigeria. His Excellency, President P.W. won that election with a landslide. It was an incontestable margin. But guess what? Tinubu swindled his way over to Aso Rock. Isn't that enough? Let's be realistic. There's no... See, Lagos State cannot exist effectively without the Igbos. Lagos State cannot exist effectively without the Igbos. Quote me anywhere. Think about it. What is Ladipos Papers Market without the Igbos? What is Aspanda International Trade Fair Market without the Igbos? What is Alaba International Market? The major electronics hub of Africa, actually, without the Igbos. What is the real estate business in Lagos without the Igbos? If you hear that the demolition is going on, they are destroying shops, it's going to be shops that are belonging to the Igbos. If you hear that they are demolishing buildings in residential area, it's going to be buildings that belong to the Igbos. This is extreme resentment. This is extreme dimension of hostility. These are symptoms. Now, even with all this, okay, even with all this hatred, the Igbos are still busy investing in Lagos State, procuring landed properties, buying up assets in Lagos State. What happens to the Igbo land? What happens if you channel all these resources to our homeland? What will happen? All these are symptoms of a very deadly sickness. What made you feel that all these markets that I mentioned that are going to stand like that forever? Nah. If you are thinking that way, I'm sorry for you. The plans are on top jet to eliminate the Igbos in Lagos State. So the earlier you embrace wisdom, the better for you. If you're an Igbo man, an Igbo investor, an Igbo businessman, put on your thinking cap. Put on your thinking cap. All the wonderful accolades, the glorious attributes are just because of the Igbo's exceptionalism. And guess what? It attracts envy, jealousy, and rivalry. Ndị Igbo si na akulu ono okwonye batalia. As Igbos, let's channel our resources to our homeland, our father's land. Look at what Evangelist Ebukobi did. He took Zion to Imo State. That is more employment in Imo State. That is increased revenue in Imo State. Imagine that before 2026, that 100 great businessmen in Lagos decide to do the same thing. You will be amazed at the impacts. Let's channel our resources and investments to our fatherland. That is the only way out. This thing is not going to stop. It's not about to stop. It's not about to stop. So let wisdom guide you if you call yourself an Igbo man. What is your thought on this? Please go ahead and share your thoughts respectively in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button, favorite this video, repost it, and share it with all the contacts that you've got.